Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, what a day it's been. What can I say? Not quite there yet. We've got more to do. I said to you today before we started that a $6,000 rally today was likely. Well, we've made 4,000. So we've got a way to go. There's a little way to go. If I'm looking at my valuations, I think I could do 6,000 today. We are getting a rally again now into the close. Some of you I saw sold off your Virgin Galactic when it dropped straight back up again. So be careful if you are doing that. You may never get the, well, you won't get the chance to buy it at 150 again. That's gone. That's done. That's never going to happen again. I'm really confident of that. Anyway, let's get straight into our positions. And I've got a little surprise for you in a minute. Craig was the first one in the live stream. Good evening, Martin, Fatty, Jason, Robbie, Stephen, Raman, and Tio. Welcome to you. Okay, overall portfolio is looking good. The Roth IRA is looking great, and 54. All-time high is 58,000. So we have a way to go yet. But like I say, I think another 2,000 today. That'll take us up to 57. I think that could happen. Of course, that's just what I think. Anyway, right. Let's have a look. Where are we right now? Thank you very much. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you. Well deserved. Appreciate it. Hi, Craig. Fantastic. Let's go through our positions. Now, Virgin Galactic did sell a little bit, and some of you sold. I saw that. And what earnings are you covering today? There's no earnings today. The next earnings is tomorrow morning. If you want to know what the shows I'm doing, go to the homepage of the channel. Upcoming live streams, there's the closing bell, and there's target in the morning, and then we've got the opening and closing bell, and then we've got Walmart in the morning on the Thursday. Opening and closing bell. You can see all the shows there listed for you. All right, so you'll always know ahead of time what I am doing. All right, okay. High Niels, 55,000. Francesco Santos. Yeah, not too bad. I do see it doing better though. I do see there's more to do here. I think it could go up to 57 today, which would be nice. Anyway, we shall see if I'm right. Took some profit on Palantir, 82% profit. Very nice indeed. Hi everyone, Francesco, good stuff. Intrusion INT as it would be today. INTZ, TO roll. I'm not doing an earnings after hours tonight. Hello, Eligio. Do you know what happened with XRP? Do you know what happened with XRP? Yes, I do know what happened with XRP. I know very, very well what happened with XRP. It's gone down today. The reason is the rumor, and we put the video out and told you. If you missed it, the best thing to do, go on to the homepage of the channel, look in the videos, and there is the XRP news. That's why XRP went up. And I gave all the warnings that it would come back down, but it will be going back up again shortly. But just be very careful. Don't chase the pump. Buy it on the way down. Do your investment. Do your research. I explain exactly why it went up and warned you it would go back down, which it did the moment I said it. Delph, Plug. Yes, looking at Plug today. Very nice indeed. I am just 12% down now. I am very happy today. A 20% run on Plug. Very, very good indeed. $549 today. Very, very nice. Love you so much, Del. Thank you very much indeed. Love you all too. Okay, we're going up again now. So I do see it's possible to hit $6,000 up today. We've done 4,000. 2/3 of my target I said I would do, and let's see if we can do it. Is Zaxay in the house? Zaxay, are you here? I've got something for Zaxay if he's here. Don't see Zaxay in the house at the moment. Hopefully he will be in a minute. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Let me jump into Rumble, see if all my crowd is in Rumble. Let's have a little look. Let's refresh the screen, say hello. There you go. Thank you, Rumblers. Good to see you. What about our Facebook crowd? We're going up again. 4,100, looking good. Let's have a quick look. I need all the space fans in. If you are a space fan, a Virgin Galactic investor, say SPCE. SPCE in the chat. Okay, we got the like done there. Lance Strength, what's up, mate? What's up? Got a bit of a treat. Well, a surprise. You asked me to do it. Thank you, Susan, for the follow on X. Thank you very much. Oh, hang on. We've got a post here from Virgin Galactic as well. Thank you, Lou. Pinned. Virgin Galactic is thrilled to announce the appointment of Luigi Brambilla to Virgin Galactic's board of directors. Luigi brings with him an impressive 18-year track record of experience spanning leisure and travel, wellness, entertainment. Great stuff. November the 8th, that's a few days ago. Nothing really exciting there. Okay. Just checking. Okay, that's all fine. So if you are a Virgin Galactic investor, SPCE, Matthew Kelly. Hello, Matthew Kelly. I actually was on Stars in Their Eyes with Matthew Kelly. When I came second as Cliff Richard, Matthew Kelly was the presenter. So if you are a space fan, put SPCE in the chat. And once we got about 20, I'll show you something. Right. So thank you to all of you. Oh, I got 2 notifications. Have I missed something? Mike's been liking. Great. Waiting for Zach Zate. All right. Let's have a quick look. And Twitch. Yeah, we're all good on Twitch. Everything's good. Right. Okay. Welcome to everybody across the board. Right. Does someone know what happened to Fiscal Note? So far, I don't get it. Happened to Fiscal Note? What's Fiscal Note? I have no idea what that means. I'm looking back at my huge impulse investment that I made after Martyn's logical recommendations and smiling big time. Well, I'm so pleased. Jordan. Okay, does someone know what happened to Fiscal Note? So far, I don't get it. Fiscal Note, I've no idea. Okay, we did 2 more reviews this morning. They are currently, as I speak, uploading. Archer Aviation review and Take Two review. They are being uploaded as we speak. They'll be up there for an after hours world premiere if you can join me for that. All right, I wanted Zach Zate to be here. He's one of our biggest Virgin Galactic fans. Is Zach Zate here? No, he's not. Oh, I'll leave it another 5 minutes. If he's not here, I'll have to tell you. Because I had a request from you guys, so I've done something. I've done something. Hopefully you're going to like it. Take Two Interactive. That was it. Wow, what a great day for you, Martyn. Yeah, not bad, is it? But it's not where my target is, though. I said this morning before the rally, it's going to be up $6,000 today. You heard me say it this morning. I said $6,000. We are at 4,245. It's going. I still say 6,000 by the bell. That's what I said. I'm 2/3 of the way there. So it's as expected. It's why we've been going through the pain. It's why we dig the ditches when everything's down, right? First time my portfolio is in the green for over a year. We'll release GTA 6 trailer next month. Huge. Grand Theft Auto. Well, we did the review. Take Two Interactive. We did the review for Take Two Interactive, and I suggested it's not a buy, but there are Electronic Arts, which is a better margin. It can be crushed by Electronic Arts. Why is everything so green today? Well, we explained it all this morning. essentially the CPI figures came in so low. Inflation is coming down quicker than forecast several months in a row now, but we had month over month zero inflation, the first time in like 6 years. That's why the Fed are going to be pivoting exactly like I said in the spring, in the summer. They're going to hold it up, but nothing you can do to stop it now. Inflation is on its way down, and we are looking stronger and stronger. And my portfolio is starting to break again. It's 40,022. I want to see 6,000 today. Big moat in the gaming industry, not with Take Two, there isn't. We did a full review this morning for one of my members, a 15-20 minute full review. We went through the balance sheet, the deck situation and everything. And Electronic Arts is the better value. I said it's not a buy for me, absolutely not. Anyway, there we go. It's up to you, but the figures are there, so I'm not buying that one. Anyway, this is what I've got now. We're up 40,050. Virgin Galactic is 100% going to short squeeze. Palantir, you see how it popped up and back down? It's too expensive. It's only moved 1% today, where I've got stocks up 25-30% today. Gold. No, the S&P's up 2%. It's great, but it's frothy now. You want to wait for the pullback. Amazon, too expensive. Apple, too expensive. It's only up 1.72. Great, but it's too expensive. This is the one I told you to buy. Next Era Energy, up nearly 6% now. And the dividends are phenomenal on this one. You're going to love the dividends next month. Enphase Energy, up 15, nearly 16% today. Zach Zate, here he is. Okay, everybody's here now. I've been waiting. So if you are a Virgin Galactic fan, write in the chat SPCE. Write in the chat SPCE. All right? Okay, SPCE. Write in the chat SPCE, and I'm going to show you something. I went Next Era Energy instead of Enphase. Enphase Energy is the one that was most oversold. It's up today 16%. I told you when it broke 90, it's gone all the way to 100, and I stand by that. I'm just 10% down now. I've got an average of 101. Extremely happy with that. Extremely happy with that. Coca-Cola, my defensive is holding everything up. J&J is going up. Jim Cramer was so wrong. Kenvue. Chevron, not far. I can get out of it. Tesla, $300 now is the next target. Lovely. Rivian. McDonald's, you can't overbuy land. There you go. Google's up 2%, but nothing compared to my other investments. Coming on to the big stuff in a second. Tesco, Tilray, I'm out of it. Robinhood, 2.5%. So 4 to 6x within 2 quarters. IonQ, too expensive. I'm out of it. Rocket Lab today went up, just pulled back a bit. There's my big one. Rocket Plug is up 19.6. We had the numbers. We showed you the numbers. We did the review. Plug was oversold. Faraday, I think it's found the bottom. It's a big risk. I'm using some of the profits to invest in this one. It's just a fundamental reason, really. It's a moon bag. I was 88% or 90% down. I'm down 42%. I doubled and doubled again. So I've lowered my average, and I'm just going to hold it. It's one of those little bit of a personal thing there to see what happens. All right, 4,200. Okay, for the space fans. You asked me, MSK made the request, Zach Zate made the request, you wanted some Virgin Galactic merchandise. This is just the demo of it. This is not the actual one, but I'm just working on a few ideas. You ready? What do you think of this? And remember, I never increase the price of my merchandise. It will be the same price as all the other merchandise I've ever had. No increase. But between now and the 16th, 2 days, you get a 10% discount. So you'll get it cheaper than my normal merchandise. I'm working on this for you. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The very first Virgin Galactic souvenirs in the history of the world. What do you think of that? It's all-round wrap t-shirt. Okay, what do you think of that? Do you like it? Is there something on there you would like? Would you like to see, to $100, or is there something else you'd like to see on there? What would you like to see? My logo. I can sign it, put a signature on it. What is it you'd like to see on that? That's that one. There's something else I've worked on as well. There's that. I thought you might quite like this. Tell me what you think of this. Here we go. Zooming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have, look at that. Like that. Again, if there's anything you want to see on there, because I want this out tomorrow so everyone can get the discount, so you can buy these mugs and t-shirts cheaper than any other time. So would you like that? To $100, logo, give me suggestions. You can have what you like on it. I worked on something else. There's a few things I've worked on. The other thing was I thought this was quite cool. Have a look at this. I thought this was really cool, the way it's translucent. Translucent in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. What do you think of that? It's pretty cool, right? It's 360 and it's translucent. It's a beer glass. There you go. There you go. So, like the mug. Excellent stuff. So you can have any of that. Yeah. There's all kinds of things. I was asked, someone said to me they would like some sort of jewelry, because you can't buy this anywhere else in the world. No one else has designed anything like this. Look, there is a dog tag, Virgin Galactic dog tag, all kind of things. If there's things you want on it, tell me, and I will finish it, and you'll get all the discounts tomorrow. So you'll buy it at the cheapest price, just above the wholesale price, all right? Okay, what is it you want on it? Do you have Enphase and Palantir merch for me? Niels, yes, I do. If you request it, Niels, I can make it. It's a members-only thing. I'm designing these for the members, but if you become a member, Niels, I certainly can. But if you like it, just let me know. I want you and Carp on my t-shirt. What? You do you? All right. You need to become a member. Even better with your signature. Okay, so add a signature. Okay, so you want to add the signature. Okay, I'll sign it then. I'll make sure they're all signed. What else? Those are both pretty good. Put $100 on it. Okay, $100 on it. You want to see $100 on it? On it, okay. What else? Like the mug, very nice. Your design. You design them yourself. Yes, I do it all myself. Absolutely right. That's cool. Need a bigger mug. I agree. It's just the way the mugs are, I'm afraid. What about copyright? That's all been done. I've taken care of all of that. I want a beer glass. Okay. Add screw the shorters onto the mug. Okay. Screw the shorters. Screw the shorters. That's a good one. Don't forget, on the back of the shirt, I could put screw the shorters. I could do that easily on the back. on the back. I can do that. I could do that for you. Okay, screw the shorters on the back. What else did you want? I have got it to $100 and put the mini Martyn with the crystal ball emoji on it as well. Crystal ball, okay. Crystal, I can have different versions. I'm just, so you can choose what you like. Crystal ball, okay. Do you have Robinhood socks for Christmas? Yes, again, I can make anything for my members. So, yeah, Robinhood socks. Robinhood socks for Christmas. Okay. What else do you want? 11% on Virgin Galactic Space to $2.12. Stock socks for Christmas is a great shout. Stock socks for Christmas is a great shout. Stock socks. Okay, writing that down. What's your total portfolio? Why don't you put the word real Satoshi? Please stand up. Real Satoshi. Toshi. Please stand up. Okay. Mullen underwear. What? Hang on about. I'll have a mug and a hoodie. Fantastic. There you go. All right. So it seems the favorite thing that you liked the most was the mug, I think. The mug is pretty cool. There you go. There you go. I will finish this after the show tonight. All right. You can have that in any color you want, basically. All right. Okay. I'll get to that and make sure that you all get the discount and make sure I get it out for tomorrow. Okay. So where are we? I'm still not there. I predicted $6,000 by the end of the day. We're now up to 4,500. And I announced that this morning before it started. So pretty good. 2/3 of the way there. Here we go. Virgin Galactic is now at $2.12. Palantir, 1991. Gold. S&P. Now, there's 2 reviews on their way now, just being uploaded. Archer Aviation and TW. They're just being uploaded for you now. Take 2. Look at this. I'm actually uploading, as I'm talking to you, these latest videos. You can see Archer Aviation's going up and Take 2 review is going up. There will be... tomorrow, they will be on the Alpha Spread website underneath the stocks. It might be tomorrow morning because it's not up there yet. It might just miss tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be Thursday morning, but I would expect tomorrow morning. And there we go. The S&P, Amazon, Too Dear, Apple, NEE. Look at NEE, 6% today, folks. Everyone is catching on. Look at Enphase. I bought it at $70. Come on. It's up 16% today. Very, very nice indeed. But it dwarfs into comparison to my plug, which is 21%. This could double by the end of the week, because I know that the plant around the corner in Texas is going to open in 2 quarters and supply a few towns and stuff with hydrogen. So very, very excited about that. Okay. Do you think it's better moment to buy? Do you think this is the better moment to buy? Right. I'm going to really be quite firm with people now because I want to give the best information. I want to give the best information, right? Zach Sake says, I'll have a mug and a hoodie. Yes, we'll rock to party with Palantir's shirt, Mullen underwear, and Robinhood socks. Nice work, Martyn. Thank you. Nice buy at 70 when others, including me, didn't. The cup should have written on it, to catch the shorter's tears. To catch the shorter's tears. Okay? To catch the shorter's giving you the chance here to say what you want on the merch. Okay, Martyn, can I have Tilray's crap? Martyn, can I have Tilray's crap shirt that I can post to Mo? That's brilliant. If you want to buy it, I'll make it. Tilray's crap. Niels, $500 super chat shirt. A $500 super chat shirt. I don't think anybody want to buy that, Niels. Right, okay. Let's look. Eligio. I'm going to really be quite frank now, and I don't mean to offend or upset, but I'm going to be frank, okay? It's important. We're not here to sell videos. We're here to be honest, right? Eligio is asking, do you think is it the better moment to buy space? Let's just break down what we're doing here, why we're here, what this is about. It's all about patience, discipline, education, most importantly, investing in yourself and your emotions and your reactions and your FOMO and all of those skills. That's what we're here to do, right? What is happening today for the people that haven't spent 2.5 years in the red, 2.5 years digging the ditches, taking all the abuse from shorters, taking all the abuse from everybody, okay? That's investing. Educating yourself, buying on the way down, working hard on the red days. The green days, I'm not doing anything now. I'm not selling anything. I'm certainly not buying anything. I'm just watching it and going, well, that's good, isn't it? That's all there is to say. There's nothing to say. What I'm now going to do is start looking at the next stocks that are undervalued, that are oversold, that are abused, that have too much short interest, and so on. Look for the next rate cuts, because there's going to be rate cuts in the spring. Look for the next thing 6 months ahead. That's my job. As an investor, investing means invest. Dig the fields, feed the ground, plant the seeds, take care of the seeds, nurture and water, and wait. That's investing. However, some people today aren't investing at all. They're buying on the way up. Why the heck, when we've provided the knowledge and the information for 2.5 years of what the bottom is on Virgin Galactic, what the bottom is on Enphase, what the bottom is on like 20 different companies, try and keep going down, keep buying the dips. Why did you not do it then? Why are you now trying to buy it on the way up? That's just following the leader. So, in response to your question, Eligio, do you think it's the best time to buy space? No. The best time to buy space was at 150 when I was buying it. And then scalping it on the way down to lower the averages, to post the losses, to buy it at the bottom. So no, I don't think we will ever see $1.50 again, ever. Because we've got the roadmap to profitability. We've also got interest rates coming down. I don't see any reason you'll ever buy Virgin Galactic at 150. There's no reason unless it crashes and blows up. I don't think there's any chance. In fact, I'll run a poll. Here we go. Let me do a poll. Whoops, hang on. Let me do a poll. I'm trying to give myself a super chat. That's not right. Start a poll. Okay. Will we ever see $1.50 for SPCE again? Now, before I finish, I'm going to add, there's no point just saying, no, this isn't the best time, but people still want to invest, right? So will we ever see $1.50 for space again? Yes or no? Now then, Eligio. So I'm trying to give you the information when it's hard, when it's red, when it's doom and it's gloom, not when it's all going up. Because now all the YouTubers will come out of the woodwork. Now the Wolf of Dubai will start going live every day, telling everybody to buy Virgin Galactic. And that's irresponsible, but he's jumping on the bandwagon because everybody wants to get rich, right? Of course, it's still worth buying Virgin Galactic. I'm not ruining the party and saying it's all over. Virgin Galactic, I didn't buy Virgin Galactic at $150 to sell it at $2. I bought it at $150 to sell it at $100. In fact, not even sell it at $100, move into dividends, because that's what they'll do when they get to 100. They've got to go to a dividend stock and just retain their shareholders, right? So they don't have to, but that's what I think they'll do. So Virgin Galactic is still a buy if you believe it's going to $100. Well, I do. I still believe it's going to get short squeezed. I still believe it's going to $100. So yes, people are going to start buying it. Well, people have been buying it all day at $2.11. So of course it's worth buying it. But I don't think it'll ever dip to $150 again. I'm surprised 43% say yes, it will go to $150. I'm amazed by that. I don't know. In fact, I've just realized we are actually non-members. So I'm getting, in fact, I'll prove that to you now. We're getting non-members, shorters, spreading false information. That's ridiculous. And I'll prove it. I'll prove it to you, right? So we've got, I'm going to end the poll, 24 votes, and 38% say yes, it's going down again to $150. Now I'm going to make it members only, and you watch the difference. You watch the difference between people who are investors and those that are shorting it, wanting it to go down, right? So you watch the difference. Members only. Let's get a proper poll done now of actual investors, not talking rubbish. Will we ever? I'll ask exactly the same question. Whoopsie-daisy. Will we ever see $1.50 again on SPCE? Exactly the same question, okay? Yes or no? And you watch the difference. Okay, this is just the members now, the investors. So, will we ever see $1.50 again on space? 37% said yes. Now let's ask the members, not the shorters, not the trolls, not the ones who are losing all their money, the actual investors, and let's see the difference. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, so we had we will see it again, 37%, and now we're getting. Let's wait. Let's have a look. Will we ever see 150 again on space? 32 votes. It's down to 36. So it's 34. There we go. The last poll was, I just did it, and when it was open to the public, 37% said, yes, we will. Still the same. Well, I'm wrong then. I'm surprised by that. It's exactly the same. 37, 38, 39. We got a lot more votes now. Will we ever see $1.50 again on SPCE? Well, I'm surprised. I take back what I said. I'm surprised. So it does appear that the investors, as well as the shorters, do believe it's coming out 43%, slightly more. I'm surprised by that. So I was wrong. It does seem you, many of you think, 44% of you think it will go. I think 44% of you are wrong, because the big investors that I'm talking to aren't selling any. And I know 95% of the world's retail investors. I know their sentiment. So I don't know who these people are who think it's going down to 150. Institutions are preparing to buy it. They'll buy it when it goes up because that's what they do. They want to know everything's looking good. I don't think you've got a chance in hell. Anyway, I'm Surprised by that. There we go. So you learn something every day. I thought that was generally to do with the non-members were doing that, but actually it appears that 43% of you, and we're only a week. Can someone tell me? I just want to check. Can somebody tell me, just so I know for sure? Can somebody tell me if you're a non-member, was you able to vote? Because I'm still surprised by those numbers. Would someone tell me if you are a non-member, could you vote in this poll? Because I'm really sure that we have got people here who can vote who are non-members, and I might be wrong. Can someone tell me if you are a non-member, was you able to vote in that poll? I don't know. I would have thought you wouldn't be able to, but I might be wrong. I think we've got a lot of people saying that it is going down that aren't members, because our members aren't investors. Most of them. I'm still sure of that. So if anyone who is a non-member could go in the chat and say, I was able to vote and I'm a non-member, then that will explain it. I find those figures strange from the research that I do every day. Martin, what is happening with the House of Representatives? Will they shut the government down? And what are your opinions on spending? No, they will not shut the government down. No, they will not shut the government down because I want to buy it. Eligio, well, it's not a bad price. $2 is the valuation of the company with the money they've got on the books. $1.50 is underneath the value. It's undervalued. I buy undervalued stocks. You're still buying the value of the company. You're just not buying it undervalued. You're buying the value of it. Still a good buy today. Still a good buy. Still going up. So, do the poll again. No one's answering. I'm asking somebody. Oh, hang on. I've just realised. Non-members, right. Non-members can't vote. They can't comment. They might be able to vote, but they can't comment. Okay, so I'm now going to go back to non-members, and and I'm going to end the poll so it doesn't change. Right? I'm going to end the poll. Now, would non-members tell me, was you able to vote? I'll make it open to everybody. If you are a non-member, was you able to vote in the last poll? Okay? So, if you're a non-member, was you able to vote? Because I want to see, yes, you could. There you go. I knew it. I knew I was bloody right. Okay, so there you go. There you go. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Yes. Even though we are in members-only chat, non-members could vote. And that is why there were so many no's. So many yeses that that it's going down to 150. I knew it. 100%. I said that. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. It's not going to go to 150. Absolutely impossible to go to 150. Absolutely impossible to go to 150. Yes, we could vote. Thank you guys for letting me know. That explains it. So there you go, guys. Knowledge is everything, right? 98% of my live viewers are members. They are investors. They are part of the Virgin Galactic story. They stand by me. They know what Virgin Galactic stands for. Non-members, not all, but most of the non-members, don't believe in what I'm saying. They're not behind what we're behind. A lot of people are shorting it and they're getting short squeezed. They will get short squeezed and they will lose their money. So of course they want to say it's going to 150. If I could do a poll now for members only, I just can't. Obviously, we've just found out. I am 100% convinced it would be 95, 98% saying no, it's not going to 150. Those that are saying it are wishing it. Wishing it is rubbish. You cannot influence the stock. Wishing it doesn't do anything. You're wasting your time. But they'll try because it's all they've got. All right. So I'm 100% convinced of that. Anyway, Good news for us from the high risk gang. Hi all, I'm here. I mean in the gaming industry. First I'm on the channel. Marvelous Peters, please someone put me through. Marvelous Peters, how are you? Space, what do you mean put you through? It's Valerian, Space Monkey. Let's have a look. Space. Next year, let's have a look. Space, plug coming back. Space is going up, people. Everyone in this group should have several hundred shares of Virgin Galactic. Excellent, said Lance. Do you have N-Phase? Yes, I do. I want Ewan Carp on my t-shirt. Those are both pretty good. Like the mug. Very nice design. I want a beer glass. It will be out tomorrow. Screw the shorters. Okay, I'll put that on. Let's have a look. What's your total portfolio? Sensei's asked what my total portfolio is. My total portfolio is 40,000. I'm not there yet. I said 6,000, but from the moment we started this morning, I said my portfolio would be up $6,000 today. It's up 4,500. It's not up 6. I am over two-thirds of the way. So I'm like about 70% accurate. I'd like to be 100% accurate and see 6,000 by the end of the day. Let's see if I do that. My overall portfolio is now 55.44. All-time high is 58. I said I could reach 57 today. So I'm not quite there. Getting close. Why don't you put the real Satoshi please stand up? I've written that down to do that. Let's have a look. Shouldn't the beer glass have the drunk plug? Yeah, it should, Chris C. It should. Recent subscribe. I really enjoy your content. Well done. Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate that. Martin, do you not think there is a recession coming in the next year? Everyone else seems to think so. No, not in the US. I don't. No, I don't. Soft landing. There's no recession. No, I don't. No. If you're into crypto, you should look at Hello Coin. Ben Sharples. We have crypto. We have Sensei takes care of it. If you are a member, I can review it and do a deep dive on it. They have a really cool TV show coming up with a very good founder. Love your show. Thank you ever so much, Ben Sharples. Hello, how are you? I think Virgin Galactic, 1.5 of Virgin Galactic is a thing of the past, but 2 is still a good jump to buy. Definitely going to 5 anyway. It's a matter of time. I'm blessed with the price. My Virgin Galactic is averaged at 159. I'm happy with that. I feel blessed at my average at 185 even. Absolutely, you should. Martin, do you need a counter opinion for the stock to have room to the upside? Yes, of course you do. Like I've said over and over again, we need trading. That we do not want straight line, parabolic. Why? Because it can just fall flat on its arse. Why do I say that? Well, if you've got healthy trading like this, what does this actually mean? It means people were selling at $2.09 and people were buying at $2.04 when they could have bought, like me, at $150, $138, even as low as $138. They're prepared to pay $2.04. It then went up and it sold at $2.12. People were prepared to pay $2.07. Now, in Sensei's language, in chart language, which is not what I'm interested in, I'll let Sensei do that. What that is called is building a support. And what we're doing here is we can put a line across here and we can find a support when people are selling it at 211, buying it at 27, selling it at 209, selling it at 205, buying it again, buying it all the way up and selling it at 212, and then buying it back at 211 to drive it up. Now, why that's important is it's building support at higher buy-in prices, the bid prices. Now, why that's important is more and more people, as it trends up and up and up and up, people are buying at higher and higher prices, and then they're trading it, they're selling it, they're taking profits, but that protects you, because all these people who are buying at 211, 212, they're looking to grow it to 220. They don't want to sell it at less than 212. They've just bought it at 212. So you, right the way down here at your 157, you're sitting comfortable now, because there's people way above you who have paid more than you, who are not wanting to sell, because they've bought it at 212, 213, and you're building resistance. Now, for it to break support and plummet down to 157, then something bad has to happen. Something catastrophic has to happen. Interest rates go back up again. We're not going to get a pause. The Unity crashes or whatever. Well, we're not going to get rates go back up again. We're not going to get the government shut down. And we are where we are now. And that's it. So this is all good. We do want this. Right, we're nearly there. $1,500 to go. We're now at $4,455. I said would be at $6,000 by the end of the day. So we're about 72% now on the way to what I predicted. So I'm 72% right. It was a bold claim, 6,000 in a day. That was a rise of about 17% in a day. Well, that's pretty wild across a very diverse portfolio. But I said it, I stand by it, and it still could happen, but it's not looking likely now. Not looking likely before the bell goes. But that was my target. That's what made sense to me. I believe it will be, because the delta is still 2 years away. Yeah, it doesn't matter that it's 2 years away. It doesn't matter that it's 2 years away. The price is so undervalued that it can stay here. It's not going to keep going. It's not going to go to $10, $20 in 5 minutes, but it certainly can go up a lot higher than this, and it can short squeeze, and then it will go up just by default. And then once it's short squeezes to $6-7, they can, if they want to, do some dilution back down to 5, hence why you don't want to be chasing it. And now they've got plenty of money, and we are even more likely to succeed. So even more institutions will buy in. So all this is good, whichever way you slice it. Easily could happen is a 50-50 chance on how things play out between now and the next flight on the markets. If the market drops again, it will go back down before they announce a celebrity. I don't agree. I do not agree at all. The numbers, the balance sheet, what we've achieved with the petition, where the company are going, interest rates. The only reason why it went down was interest rates kept going up, not the company itself. The company had been extremely successful. It went down purely because of interest rates. And that's all. That's the only reason. And the short interest because of the interest rates. You can still vote as a non-member. Thanks for that. Now I know. Institution bought into Tilray, a good thing. Oh, hang on a minute. I've just had a cup of tea turn up. Oh, latte. Thanks, babe. Cheers. Latte. Brilliant. From the lovely Leah. All right. Okay. I'm not a member and I could vote. Thank you for all answering my question. I really appreciate it. Won't go back to 150. No, it can't. Short is here to bring us down. Exactly. That's all it is. I hope it only goes up from here and heavily overweighted and want to trim. I'm not selling a single share. I think that would be crazy. You're underselling your value. You're giving yourself away. Anyway, get the negative energy out. Absolutely right. By the way, I voted no. So we have quite a lot of bears in here. We always do. Especially on days when I'm doing exceedingly well, we'll get even more bears. Nobody wants to see my portfolio. Non-members and the trolls and all the little hobbits over there on StockTwits and Reddit, they don't want to see me go up. It's 18% in a day. Across my portfolio. Of course they don't. They're betting on my portfolio going bust and getting getting margin called. I still voted yes though, but prove me wrong. I'm not investing or shorting it. I'm 100% bullish on space. It's the economy that's screwed, and that's what we pull back, and we are back. We are in a bear market. No, we're not in a bear market at all. We've had 2 positive quarters. We're nowhere near in a bear market at all. You might be in a bear market, Crag, on your stocks, but I'm telling you, the overall market is most certainly not in a bear market. 2 positive quarters. And for me, it's 3 positive quarters. So I don't know where the bear market sentiment's coming from. You might want it to be because you want the stocks to go down, but it ain't. American economy is strong. Thoughts on TUP, T-U-P. Nufo, if you want to do a review, a full 20-minute, 15-minute review, I can do that for you and make the video and post it for you. It's a member's perk, and yes. Can you contact Kathy Wood and convince her to invest in Virgin Galactic? That would be a good idea. Martin, stop saying, was you able? It's were you able? I'm being told off here by MSK. Did any one of you die-hard Virgin investors do the personal postcard that goes on a Virgin flight? No, I didn't. Currently up 29,000 today. Very nice, Mark Saxby. Congratulations, Mark. Plug, nice today, Mitch NL. Thank you of SB. Sometimes stocks move up or down for no reason. It's how the market works sometimes. Dark pools are not fair for us, the retail investor. No, I understand that, but I don't see Virgin Galactic going to 150 because we talk to 95% of the world's largest retail, 95% of the retail investors of Virgin Galactic are represented through our show. We know that. We've counted the shares. We've looked at it. We know that for certain. So it ain't going down to 150. Brilliant day today. I'm so excited to be able to tell my friends who pulled their investments that I'm on top because I stuck through it. Very good, Seth Houston. My Virgin Galactic is showing up 28.7. Nice bit of leeway. Great. The best channel on YouTube. Mark Korn is here. He's been a member for 20 months. And I'm going to tell you a little story about Mark and the power of membership. Mark wrote some short stories. He said, Martin, no one's ever heard of me. I went, I know, mate. I know how you feel. No one's ever heard of me either. He said, I've written a book. I said, have you? He said, yes. I put it on Amazon. I've got no reviews. I've sold no books. No one knows who I am. I said, don't worry about that, mate. You're one of my members. I'll tell the world. I said, do you want me to promote it? He said, yeah, why not? So I shared the link of Amazon, and everybody, all my members went on and followed him, reviewed him, gave him a review, told him how great he was, downloaded the free version. And I think it was within 5 days of me doing that, he was then in the top 10 short stories ranked on Amazon. That is the power of the family. That is the power of the strength of this family. So congratulations to Mark. Mark Korn is now quite a little famous author on Amazon. Bless his cotton socks. And how is your dear sister Cassie? I know she's not been very well. How is she today? Alpha Spread says space is overvalued though. Yes, but Adam Preston, you're not reading the full. I bet Adam Preston is not one of my members, right? Let me see. I bet he's not. Adam Preston, is he one of my members? I can't. Oh, no, he's not. There you go. Adam, you cannot just go on the intrinsic value. I explain that in every one of my reviews. You have to look at the overall picture. It's why I make a 15, 20-minute video. There's more to it than that. You can't. This is the trouble. You cannot look at a bit of software which does all the work for you and go, it says it's overvalued, so I ain't buying it. It said it's undervalued, so I'm buying it. There's more to it than that, and I explain that why in all my reviews. So Adam, I appreciate your comment, but you are wrong, and that's not what it says. You need to read all of it to understand what it's saying. Do you think Branson could have been a good guy all along, just wanted a nice entry point in the average? Joe before the Monster Rally. Do you think Branson could have been a good guy all along? What do you mean? Branson still owns 15% of Virgin Galactic. He's very bullish on Virgin Galactic. Thanks, Leah, for the coffee. Do you think Jerome Powell has a bearish outlook and also the politics? It's fairing is a move. Now, Jerome Powell is being investigated for inside trading in his family. There's nothing Jerome Powell can do now. Jerome Powell is the chair of the Fed. He has no agenda at all to put rates up again. It would be absolutely absolutely carnage if he did that. There is no reason. What he will do is hold the rates for longer. I don't care about that. We can budget for what we know. Hold them as long as you want. Hold them as long as you want, because the longer you hold them, the bigger the catapult will be, boom, when you drop them. So I don't care. Hold them as long as you want, mate. I've always said it's not how hard you punch, it's how many punches you can take. And if you can keep buying the bottom, stay in the game, keep buying lower and lower, keep lowering your averages, and you can stay when it's hard, when it's red day after red day after red day. When it finally goes green, which it has to, it's inevitable. When it rains, what comes next? The sun. Always. It doesn't rain and rain and rain, and that's it for the end of time. When it rains, the sun comes. That's it. We've had rain for ages. Sun is around the corner. So I don't care what he says, what he does. If he keeps rates up another month, another month, another month, the longer he does it, the bigger the push when it finally releases. It's just the way it works. All right. Let's have a look. Down 75%. Virgin Galactic up 300%. Down 75, up 300% on Tesla. Richard, okay. Thanks for sharing that. Nice mug, said Sensei Crypto. Kathy Wood told she would push Powell to cut rates on Bloomberg. Everybody will be. He hasn't got a choice. He hasn't got a choice. Keep it up there if you want, mate. I can take it. I can keep buying the bottom, and I can stay in the market, and I hold my position. And when you release it, it's going to go bloody ballistic. It's already started. There's nothing you can do to stop it. Last year, we entered a bear market, and all of the S&P. Last year. But what did I say in December? I said the bull market starts in January, 6 months before the Bank of America, and it did. They said 2 quarters later, in June, we're in a bull market, because banks can't take risks. They have to wait 2 months and then go, we're in a bull market. I don't quite know what's the point of that. Anyone can say that after the effect. It was clearly obvious from the numbers that we were already in a bull market, and we are still in a bull market. I don't care what anyone tells you. We are still officially in a bear market. I don't know. I don't believe that for a second. Got 696 shares, average cost of 190 because of you. Thanks. Ben Sharple, you're very welcome. I'm glad you're so far up. I think space will rise on upcoming speculation with the future value. So do I. This is the result of when Google. This is the result when Google. When Google, are we in a bear market? So you ask Google, and Google says we're in a bear market. So we're in a bear market, are we? All right. Fine. You can ask Google you like crack. I don't believe that for a second. I absolutely do not believe that a second, because we've had 2 quarters up, which is the very definition of a bull market. Simple as that. You can Google that as well. What is a bull market? 2 consecutive quarters of gain, and we are up in a bull market. Now, at the end of the day, I can only speak for my portfolio. I can't speak for yours, or if you're buying Binky Bonk coin or diddly whatever. I can only tell you about the market that I am in. All right, but then I've always lived on my own bubble. I like it here. Richard, I did make space for love. Personal card, have it to home display. I wrote a message to my wife and our 2 fur babies. I like that. More than 60% of respondents believe the stock market's gain this year has just been a bear market bounce, seeing more trouble ahead. More than 60%. All right? I don't care what 60% of anybody says. Seeing more trouble ahead. See, the trouble is, most information that you read on every other channel, Meet Kevin to Graham Stepan to Bloomberg to CNBC, is done to create headlines, sell videos, sell the news, sell stories, analysts with their own fingers in the pies. This is where I tell the truth. I don't care if you watch or don't. I don't care at all, quite frankly. I just care about my members who watch my show to give them the best information possible. I'm not trying to promote a stock or pump a stock or dump a stock. No one's employing me to say anything. No one, pays me to tell you certain stuff. So I'm telling you that we're in a bull market. If you think we're in a bear market, well, I've never seen a bear market like it. I've been consistently up all year. I've beaten Warren Buffett pretty much consistently all year. Beaten the market pretty much consistently all year. I don't know what a bear market is then. All right? I don't know what a bear market is. Let me ring the bell. All right, the bell has now gone and the rally is continuing. I'm 4,500 up and Virgin Galactic is up in the after hours. And it's running and running and running. A total of 39% of investors believe we are already in a bull market. There we go. We are already... See, there's nothing smart about being in the 39% and saying it once we're in it. The hard part is to say when we are not in it, that we're in it, because that way you can be already in and ready when it bounces. Someone said to me today, why don't you buy it now it's going up? I bought it when it was down. I'm not buying it when it's going up because everybody else says so, and everybody else says, oh, it's a bull market. That's not investing. That's uneducated lemmings. I hope I'm not an uneducated lemming. I went all the way at school and stuff, so I think my brain works. I'm looking to do the research and take the pain, find the reds, find the oversold stocks, and know when we're in a bull market, not when somebody else says we're in a bull market. Okay, I'll join in with you then. That's ridiculous. Anyway, always appreciated, buddy. She's doing well, much still, very well, very much still getting through. I'm very pleased to hear Cassie is doing all right. I know it's not easy for her, but thanks for sharing. Good to hear me too. Good to hear me too. Richard, what do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by your question. Why did you sell Palantir based on intrinsic value but holding space? I didn't sell Palantir on intrinsic value. I didn't sell Palantir on intrinsic value. But I'm not going to hold it or buy it on an overinflated price because every lemming is chasing it up. That's not investing. That's a lemon over a cliff, and I'm not doing that. So I didn't sell it because of intrinsic value. I sold it for many reasons. Overvalue being one of many reasons. Why am I holding space? Because space has a greater potential for the price it's at today, and it is dramatically undervalued, and for all the other reasons that we talk about every day. Great Rocky quote. What's that? Oh yeah. Well, it's just how I feel. It wasn't supposed to be a Rocky quote, but it's true though. It's true. I've found that all my life. It's why when I started my YouTube channel, everybody was telling me you will fail because you're starting at the top of a bull market, you will lose money, and I did lose money, and you'll give up. Because 95% of YouTubers give up. I said, well, I'm not going anywhere. You can shove that in your pipe and smoke it. Oh, you'll give up. All YouTubers give up. I said, well, there's your problem. I'm not a YouTuber. Well, of course you are a YouTuber. You're on YouTube. I've toured the world, 195 countries, as the world piano man. I performed as the Phantom of the Opera. I've been in entertainment since I was 4 years of age. I know how to get it done and not to give up. I've had successful businesses all my life. I'm not going anywhere. You're just a YouTuber. No, I'm not. I'm using the YouTube medium. That's all. But I'm not a YouTuber. Didn't get famous out of videos when yesterday I was working at McDonald's. That's not what happened here. So it is in life about what you can take. And Mark Cuban, I played in Mark Cuban's house, a billionaire down the road from me. And he said to me, Martin, be the best of yourself and you'll always win because nobody else can do what you do. No one else is you. Be the best of yourself. So everything I try to do is the best of myself. And he said, you'll always be successful. And I believe that. So that's it. Education, hard work, and commitment. It's permanent rain with Mullen, flooding with the stock. Mullen is rubbish. Mullen is a scam. I don't know how many videos I've made on Mullen telling you about Dave Mitchery and the constant manipulation. It's very, very different than FFIE. FFIE, I bought today.
Hello, Chicken Nugget. Hope everyone doing well. Smiley face.
Fortnite chill. I love that. What a great super chat. Fortnite chills. I love that. I bought FFIE today at the bottom. I bought it. It's a damaged stock. It's in a lot of trouble. And that's what I'm looking for. Virgin Galactic, I can forget about it now. Rocket Lab, forget about it. Enphase, forget about it. Plug, forget about it. They just grow as investments now. I'm looking for the next round of oversold, undervalued stock. Faraday, I've said, is rubbish. It's rubbish. The way it's being managed is rubbish. Things are changing. It's not like Mullen, though, when Mullen is an all-out scam where they promote the stock to dump it. That's not what Mullen is doing. That's not what Faraday is doing. It's very different. So this morning, I was down like 90 odd %. I'm now down 41. I doubled and doubled again. I've got a moon bag. So that's why I bought Faraday. Mullen is rubbish. It's trying to steal your money. Faraday is trying to survive. It's a very different prospect. Wow, I would have stayed in. I sold my safety shot around 160 for a profit, and now it's 233. Crazy. I almost want to FOMO in before it reaches 3 and 4. Check it out, Martin. Seth Houston, we've done a full review on safety shot. If you want me to do another full review on it, I can. I can for you. All right. Yes. Go bonk coin. Bonky coin. Let's go XRP. Let's have a look at XRP right now. XRP is back down again today. Why is XRP down? Well, very obvious reason. I explained it yesterday. We had a pump here and I put a video out within minutes, literally minutes of it happening, and I explained exactly what was happening. XRP, there it is. There's the news. If you want to know exactly why XRP went up and exactly why it went down, there is the news. Allegedly, the ETF, and it was not proved to be accurate, that it's happening at the moment, and people pumped it and dumped it straight away. And I said, don't buy it. People didn't listen. It went up. Now it's gone back down again. I'm already in at 33 cents, like I'm in at Bitcoin at 15,000. Stop being the one who buys the pump. How much profit you have on XRP, Martin? How much profit? I think I've 2.5 times, something like that. 2.5x. Bear or bull market, read the chart and see. Bear or bull market, read the chart and see. I don't follow the charts, I'm afraid. I understand charts very well. Mitch NL, is that from the Netherlands? If you are from the Netherlands, let me know and I'll speak Dutch to you. I play the Amsterdam Maxim's piano bar quite often. But yeah. Read the chart and see. There's more to the stock market than charts. Charts are for people with no innovation and insight, I'm sorry, but it's true, into the future. If you only look at a chart, you're not studying the management, you're not studying the balance sheet, you're not reading into the news around the stock, taking the time to do the research on the ground at the factory and what they're doing, and you're just following a chart, then I'm sorry, but you are missing everything. A chart is merely what happened in the past, and it's used as a human emotion measurement, really, of what people are more likely to do because they did it last time on the bearing, that they only did it the first time because it said so on the chart. If that is all you do to research stocks, you're not going to do very well, in my humble opinion. Anyway, thanks, family, for a good and green day. Buying and going up can get you caught in FOMO. Martin made the right decision and bought when he did. Thank you, Mark. 23% to go, and I'm in the green, James. Very nice indeed. Okay, thanks. Missed your other explanations then. 199. Hello, Chicken Nugget. Hope everyone doing well. I love that. Holding 20,000 of space shares and not selling anything, as I believe the vision of commercial space travel. Hey, Fortnite, good to see you back. What is the best country you've ever been to? And have you been to any bad countries? No, I haven't been to any bad countries, but I've witnessed bad people. The best country in the world was Austria, and the best city in the world was Vienna. And I will describe Vienna as London on a really good spring day, dipped in cream and gold. And if you walk down the main street of Vienna and you hear Beethoven through the cracks of the floor, and you look at the filigree and you look at the gargoyles on the cathedrals, all in gold and alabaster, and you take a horse carriage ride, you will know what I mean by that. 12 months of investing, 5,000 down, first few months. Found this channel and made over 7,000 in the last 2 weeks alone. Buckaroony, love it. Hi, Jordan Allen. Oh no, no need for full review, just to pop in and see what's doing so well recently. I have to focus on other things if we're not doing full reviews for the minute, Seth, anyway. Jokes aside, Bonk is up 900%. I don't care if it's up 1 billion%. I ain't buying it because I'm not an investor. That's a gambler's paradise. I ain't going anywhere near it. I'd be curious with them being on one of the only products so help speed or breakdown of alcohol. Could only imagine where the stock could go with a product like that. Thank you, Seth. Can I have your thoughts on REE? Hang on a minute. Can I have your thoughts on REE, Re Automotive Limited, SHS, CL Inu? Jose Quintana. Okay, you'd like to request a review on REE. Okay, I'm going to add it to the list. My next review will be in the morning. Let me add it. You want REE for Jose Quintana. Okay, Quintana. Okay. Jose Quintana right now then, this is my list of reviews. If I'll remember, I do a full 10-15 minute review, balance sheet, inside trading, margins, the whole works, everything you need to know using the highest algorithmic software on Alpha to produce that content. I also then give you a link where you can get it for free, and you can have the package yourself for free with a couple of stocks a month where you can have for free. My membership will give you a 10% discount, which will be basically give you my membership for free. And we've got my next review is being done right after the target earnings in the morning. And that is Liam Laffey, Rocket Lab. Then ENVX for Indie Bones. Michelle wants Disney. Nikunj wants ChargePoint. Robbie Cooper wants STNE. Mark Saxby wants Figs. Patrick Moritz wants TUI. Omer wants Indie. And now Jose Quintana wants REE. Jose Quintana, you're about 8 or 9 days out from doing it. If anyone gives me a super chat, it will jump to the top, and I will do it now. If you did a super chat, I will do it now. Otherwise, tomorrow morning, I'm doing Liam Laffey's, and I'll work down my list. That's how we make it fair for everyone. Yes, I'm Dutch. Mish NL. Okie dokie. He's Dutch. Right. Okay. So it's Mitch. Here we go. Hi, Mitch. Welcome to our family. I regularly play in Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam. Welcome to the family. We aim to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. I was voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man. I will give you the link to my music channel. Go and check it out. We're live every Friday, and we're here live every day, up to 10 hours a day. Welcome to everyone in the Netherlands. Here we go into Dutch, especially for Mitch. Here we go.
Hallo Mitch, welkom bij onze familie. Ik speel regelmatig in Maxim's Piano Bar in Amsterdam. Welkom bij de familie. We streven ernaar om het meest eerlijke echte kanaal op YouTube TV te zijn. Ik ben door Elton John verkozen tot wereldpianoman. Ik geef je de link naar mijn muziekzender. Ga maar eens kijken. We zijn elke vrijdag live en we zijn hier elke dag live tot 10 uur per dag. Welkom voor iedereen in Nederland.
Okay. Time to wrap up the show. Okay, so we're going to be back early in the morning with the target earnings. Target earnings first thing in the morning. Often people say to me, what's coming up next? What time are you on? All the rest of it. If you go to the homepage of the YouTube channel, upcoming live streams tomorrow morning, target, very important, opening and closing bell. Then Walmart, opening and closing bell. Then opening and closing bell. And then we've got Sensei on Sunday, and then we're back for the following week. That's how you know. If you look for my latest videos, if you've not got a red line under the video, you've not yet watched it. I've just posted Rumble earnings. We get the live stream, and then it gets edited to improve the sound quality. I work on that to improve their audio and put it out. Far-fetch analysis, we have done that. Faraday earnings, we've done that. And in the last few minutes, I've just sent through to YouTube Archer Aviation review and Take Two review. It's just about done, and they'll be out later on this evening for you to look. Now, if you are a member of my channel, you can get my membership for free with a discount that you're going to get on Alpha. Here is my referral link. Here it is. There you go. If you click on that link, this is what you will see. We have our very own page now on Alpha. Welcome to the Lucasades. Absolutely awesome. There is the review. There is the link to go and check that out. You can have a free plan and you can review the stocks yourself. It's one of many things I use. Don't just use Alpha and think you now know everything. You need to do your own due diligence on everything, all right? Let's have a look. Lowering gas and oil prices to deflationary. I would, however, Martin, would love if you threw Walgreens in your basket list for me, please. Yes, I shall put Walgreens, Seth Houston. Let me add that to the list. That's probably now about 2 weeks away. You can always have it straight away for a super chat. It will go straight to the top. Right, Walgreens review for Seth Houston. Ton. Okay. Tomorrow morning, ticker symbol WBA. Thank you. WBA. Got it. So I will do Liam Laffey Rocket Lab in the morning after we have done target earnings. All right. That's it from me. It's time for me to go. I want to do day trader of the day. Thank you ever so much, everyone on TikTok. First person who clicks the star on TikTok, I will do a video and tag you in my viral video. I've got nearly 38,000 followers now, 37.5, and I'll invite all of my followers to follow you. The first person who clicks the star. There's only one available a day. There's the star, just there. Everybody on Rumble, thank you to all of you for joining me. I appreciate the follow, and if you give me a follow on little heart follow there on Rumble, it really helps. My audience this afternoon on X, thank you to all of you, all of my members. I reply to all of your comments. Thank you ever so much, everybody who's now liking all the streams on X. I really appreciate that. We go live there. Just tap a like and repost. We're growing every day. Jose Quintana, I've not forgotten your giveaway. We've got a giveaway as well. Let me just go into here we go. Mark Korn. Let me make sure that Mark Korn is still a member. Rolls, member, friend, yes. Friend, yes. What did he say? Hi, everyone. I know I haven't been around much. Life has been continually busy, but I'm also engaged now too. I will still continue to support the channel when I can, and also with my YouTube membership. Sending love to you all. Thank you, Mark Korn, for all your support and everything you do. I will continue to do everything I can to support you in any way I can. Remember, when you get married, I can be your entertainment for you on a big screen, all right? Delph, glad I bought the dip. I expect some red days, but in my opinion, this is a sure thing. Biggest hydrogen player worldwide. That is correct. Delph, are you a YouTube member? Friend, roles, yes, you are. We don't need to upgrade you then. Okay, making sure we've done all of that. I've got a message here from somebody. Let me just make sure I've messaged Switzer. None members can vote on the poll, by the way. Wave to spit Switzer. Thank you very much, Switzer, for letting me know. I will thank you for that. Thank you. Oh my gosh, folks, look at this. Look at this. My biggest ever super chat. Ever. Wait for it to be read out. This is the biggest ever super chat I have ever had. Wow. Let me just sit back and absorb this for a moment. Incredible. Never had a super chat that big. Blimey. It'll come up in a few seconds. This is the mug we've got coming out tomorrow for all the members. The Virgin Galactic mug. It's going to have to $100 on it. Screw it to the shorters. That's coming out. That's coming out tomorrow. Same price. No increase on price. There never is an increase on price at all. And you'll all get the 10% discount. It runs out on the 16th. So that's coming out tomorrow as well. And you also asked about this as well. You also asked about, look at this.
This channel has literally made me over $20,000 in profits over the last 12 months thanks to both Martyn and Sensei Crypto. I also want to show respect to Martyn's indomitable spirit and courage to keep going no matter what, because I can resonate with that.
Well, it's my absolute pleasure. This is the shirt that's coming out tomorrow as well for all the members. MSK, I can't thank you enough. That huge support is the biggest ever super chat I've ever made. I'm really pleased. More importantly, we've got a wonderful family here and everything. And I hope more than anything else, not if other people have followed me and made money. I mean, that's great. But I want the most important message to be, first of all, everybody on this channel has a place, as a home, a place where they can go and be heard and speak, have a voice to the world. You don't just speak into a dark room here. This goes out to 20 different platforms at the same time. Countries all around the world. We've got members in 45 countries. You can speak to the world. Everyone has a voice. Everyone has the opportunity to promote something, a charity or a business, and I will help anyone. Anyone has the opportunity to promote their YouTube channel or promote their book like Mark. Everybody will get support and help. We've had people on this show. I'm not going to mention the exact person because he's in this chat today. All I'm going to say, we've had the saddest extreme cases happen live on our show. We've also had births, we've had weddings, we've had COVID, we've had sickness and in health. We've had people get margin calls, we've had people make money. But most importantly, everyone has a voice. Everyone can be heard. Everyone has a place to go where friends will listen and listen and share their experiences and their thoughts with you. So more importantly, what this is about is helping your fellow man, helping each other with real information, not for the benefit of me selling videos or anything like that. Helping each other and everyone feeling good about themselves, but also knowing that through actual experience, anything in life is possible if you don't give up and you provide the best of yourself. I have lost count with how many people since I started with my help wanted to start a YouTube channel and they've all given up. There is only 2 right now that I know of that are actively doing it, Fight Channel and Sensei. Everyone else has given up. Most people give up. It's why it's easy to succeed in life if you don't mind hard work. If you are lazy and you can't be bothered, then you'll just fail. But if you are working hard and the best of yourself, you'll succeed because the rest will fail. And I want you to be absolutely clear when I say that, what I mean. People tell me, I get these messages through X and Instagram, and they tell me about all different types of things. They say, oh, you're wrong, this and that and the other. And I say, I've seen it on YouTube or whatever. I want to be absolutely clear because I study the finer detail of YouTube every single day of my life. When you pick up YouTube and you see people's opinions, for example, people are telling you how to get rich, how to make money, which crypto coin to buy, what to do, how to get fit, how to make money, how to do this, how to do that, how to make a YouTube channel. Everyone's telling you that. What you don't see, and all you see is this affirmation, this vision of everybody is successful and you're a failure. Because the only ones who get heard are the ones who are indeed successful. Because everybody else disappeared, and there are way more people who have lost everything, who have got no money, who can't get anyone to watch their videos, who've, because those videos don't get made, because they give up. Why would they keep making videos saying I'm losing money every day, right? They don't. So the only thing you hear is how great everybody else has it. Do you all experience that on Facebook? Everyone's got a better holiday than you. Everyone's buying a new car. Everyone's got a better life than you. It's rubbish. Because first of all, 95% of the people who haven't got a car and haven't got a nice new holiday don't go on Facebook and tell you they haven't got a nice car. So you don't know how many people don't. And the ones that do tell you that everything is great and they've got all this money and life is brilliant, they might even have their car on finance and on debt, and it's not even theirs anyway. But you need to know that don't measure your life with what everybody else is doing online, because 95% of the people who are losing it have no voice online at all. So let me tell you, anyone can be successful, but don't base it upon everybody else looking so successful. Do it because you love doing it. One of the biggest things I hate on YouTube, number one, how to get rich. I hate those videos. Hate those people that do that. Hate's a strong word, but I'm disgusted by it because it's not true. Okay? It only makes them money, number one. Number two, the talentless YouTube creators who tell you how to build a YouTube channel. I cannot stand those people. And let me tell you why. If you had built a YouTube channel on whatever it is, and you're really good at it, and you've got really successful, then you have the qualifications and the right to say how you did it. Make sense? Makes sense, right? However, many of the how to create YouTube videos, how to be successful on YouTube, was started by people with no success at all. They got successful not because they know what they're talking about, because they're sucking into you because you want to know how you think they did it. They got successful because you desire to know how to be like them, even though they are a nobody. They have no talent, no skill. They just told you how to be like them. So bit by bit, they kept doing it and you kept watching, and then eventually they do become successful and you go, oh my God, these people are amazing. They like Sean Cannell. Sean Cannell's always telling you how to pick up the camera, turn it on, go like I've met him at the video conferences. These people have no talent or skill or anything other than talking rubbish. And you buy it like a drug addict because you want to be like them. So they get successful not because of themselves, because of your desire to be like you think they are. Does that make sense? It's crazy, right? It's ridiculous. So I'm doing it the opposite way. I am going to build the most honest, the best YouTube channel in the world with, if 1 million subscribers or more would be nice, but it's not about the subscribers. It's about the value of the members. And then when I've done that, like I'm doing right now, sharing with you what I've been through and how I did it. So I'm telling you how I did it, how you can do it. Not getting famous, telling you how I'm doing it when I'm not actually. I'm just telling you it and you believe it. So it's rubbish, right? You sort of self-evolving prophecy. You keep saying it and eventually it'll be true. So anyway, so when MSK sent me that super chat, the part that meant most to me, the money is very helpful and it supports the channel. I also want to show respect for Martyn's indomitable spirit and courage to keep going no matter what, because I can resonate with that. That is the message I want to get across with all of you. No matter what you do in life, you can be successful, but you have to be honest. You have to be honest. If you want to run a race and beat Usain Bolt, you can't do it if you got 2 flat feet. You can't do it, right? You have to, you have to accept who you are, what you are, and be the best of whatever that is. And there is a room and an audience for everyone. Everyone's business, everyone's product, everyone's service, everyone's voice. Leah says to me, no one would listen to my YouTube channel. I said, yes, they would, babe. I said, you've got loads of things to say. And she says, no one will be interested in my cookery or my creative artwork. I went, yes, they would. I bet you every one of my members would buy your cookery book. I bet every one of my members would like to see your craft and things that you make. She makes things. I bet they'd love it. But she thinks they won't. And she's wrong. Everybody has an audience. Everyone has an audience and everyone has a value. And more than anything else, I want this channel to be about that. Don't think that everyone else has got a better life than you, because they ain't. They all breathe the same air. They all drink the same water. And I often said, when someone quite famous came to my house years ago, I thought you'd have a big house with gates, the World Piano Man, Phantom of the Opera, blah, blah, blah. I thought you'd have this thing. I've got this tiny little house in Cornwall. And they went, bloody hell, I thought you'd have this big house. And I said, the only difference between my house and Buckingham Palace is more bricks. I've got the same bricks in my house that's in Buckingham Palace. There's just more bricks. And I don't need more bricks because I've got enough rooms to live in. I need a toilet, a kitchen, a bathroom, somewhere to sit, somewhere to eat. That's it. I don't need 500 guest rooms, do I? It's only me and Leah. And that's it. So we all breathe the same air. We all have the same problems. We all get ill. We all get tired. We all sit on the toilet. No one's got an iPhone 20. Everyone's got an iPhone. The best you can get is an iPhone 15. I don't care if you're a billionaire. You don't own an iPhone 20. Doesn't exist. And you're all going to get old. You're all going to die. And that's it. So everyone's the same. Whatever you have, you can be successful. And that is what meant more to me. And I want to pass it back. That came through with MSK. So thank you to that, mate.
This channel has literally made me over $20,000 in profits over the last 12 months thanks to both Martyn and Sensei Crypto. I also want to show respect to Martyn's indomitable spirit and courage to keep going no matter what, because I can resonate with that.
Resonate with that. He just missed the T off at the end. That's what he was saying there. $100 as zeros. Just getting through all the comments. Hi everyone. Hey Jojo. Right, I've got to wrap up. Nobel Prize speech. Yes, that's how people like Martyn and I are. We respect everyone who has faith in us. And if we won the Nobel Prize, though, through them and their guidance, says MSK, work hard for it or don't work at all. The choice is yours. That's a good one. I like that. Absolutely right, says Raman. Big love and respect. Great speech, Martyn. Loved it best. Loved it. Best channel on YouTube. How cool is that? Hi, Martyn. How's your crypto going? Hope you're good. Very well, thank you. Can your wife draw? Yes, yes, you can. You reach your average on space today. You deserve this, buddy. Thank you. Heart. He art each one of us. Have the art in him. Follow your heart and create, says Zach Zate. We're going to make money. Let's go. I didn't miss the T on that. It was your Siri. Oh, was it? Okay. Well, it looks like you missed the T. So I'm just saying, look, if we zoom in, you can't fool me. You can't fool me. I've got it all here written down. Look, T-H-A. Where's the T? There's no T-H-A-T. Just T-H-A. Don't you give me that. Ooh, don't you give me that. Right. Okay. Portfolio is still going up. That's good. It's now time to wrap up. I can tell you now that, where are we? Where are we? Okay. Would everyone tap the like button? Let's see how we can get it. We've got 44 watching right now. A few things to do before we go. 46. 43. Can we get to 45 likes in 1 minute? Maybe not. We got nearly everyone's liked. I mean, I don't know what else to say. If we can, that would be great. Anyway, if you've not liked the video, appreciate it. It makes all the difference to me. Subscribe, ring the bell if you're new. Okay, everyone done that? Brilliant. Hey, there we go, 46. Right, now then. Let's have a quick look across the board. 11,633, 34 today. It went up about 20 a minute ago. I did it before, ahead of time. Nearly 8,000 views today. This is really good. I think there's a lot of people doing my short playlist at the moment. I think that's going on. 302 through the stream. Okay. Sorry, Martyn. MSK had a T on that. Maybe exceeded character limit. Oh, Okay. Well, how do you know he had a T on it? How do you know he had a T on it? How do you know he had a T on it? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at that. Let's see. Let's see if there's a T on it. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. I didn't see a T on it. I didn't see a T. And if I don't see a T, there's... oh. Oops. Oops. There's a T on it. There's a bloody T on it. Well, they say it takes a man to admit when he's wrong. I was wrong. There was a T on the end of it. It's obviously something to do with the character limit. So, I hate when you do that. Right. Okay. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to make this stream go all the way to the show in the morning. Redirect, here it goes. So it'll as the stream finishes, it'll take you directly to the stream in the morning. So I want to see everybody leave a like. This is the video for this morning. In the morning, it's the target earnings. So we've already got our members showing up there. Paul Knowles, Summit, and Ed Spitzer. Brilliant. Let me give everyone the link to this. Brick Mark, hello, mate. There you go. That'll go directly to there. That's that. Okay. Bring it back onto the home page. That's there. Okay, that's that bit done. I've covered all of that. I will get this done, and I promise there'll be no increases on price. There never will be. Look, and you will get with 100. Screw it to the shorters. All of that you will get that in the morning. You'll get the 10% discount as well. It ends on the 16th, so I'll get that to you tonight. I will do that. Tomorrow, I will start after the target earnings with Liam Laffley's Rocket Lab review. You can jump to the top of the list if you want to get it done immediately. Rocket Lab, then we've got NVEX, then we've got Disney, ChargePoint, STNE, Figs, TUI, Indie, REE, and then Walgreens. You can jump to the top of the list if you want. Otherwise, Walgreens, which is Seth Houston, is about 8 to 9 days, maybe 10 days out. Okay, you can jump to the top if you want to. There's that. Now then, there's one more thing I wanted to ask. We are now being featured on here on whatchamacallit, Alpha. I've done a deal here. If you look at the bottom, you'll see all our videos now being featured here on the channel. I've got a deal for everybody where you can have a free plan on Alpha for free. Let me give you the and a 10% off for the members, okay? Let me give everyone, and even if you've already been there, please use my link, because the old link has been replaced. So please, please, please do go there. There is the link, and you can then see that. Members will be able to see a discount code. So go and check that there. All right, that's all the Lucas aids. And all right, you can go and see that and set up a free account. All right, it'll take you to the Lucas aids page as well. Have I done it wrong again? Hang on. I've done it wrong again. I've done it wrong again. I've given you the wrong link. Why do I keep doing that? I've got to get rid of that one. No, don't pin it. That's not what I meant to do. Unpin. Ignore that. Don't click on that. It's the old link. It's rubbish. I've got to stop doing that. It's this one. Why am I still giving you that one? Sorry about it. Let me delete it. There you go. I've deleted it. I've no idea why I kept doing that. Here is the right link. This is the problem. We had to redo it so we could have our own page. There it is. Right. There it is. There is the link. If you could all go and correct it, please click on it to correct it, and it will bring you to this page. We have our very own Lucas Aids page. All right. Okay. And you can get a free plan. Right. Okay. Sorry about that confusion, folks. I've deleted it now. That won't happen again. Right. We'll wrap up. Martyn. Hang on a minute. Sorry, Martyn. MSK yeah. Hi, Martyn. What you reckon about Mullen? Mullen. I've made lots of videos about Mullen. It's a terrible, 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 disgusting company. Dave Mitry is an all-out con artist. It's terrible. I don't like it. It's rubbish. And I've explained why many, many times. If you want me to do a full review on it, I will. But it's a members-only perk. General gold. Where are you? Where are you in the chat? Why can I not see you? General Golden Cod, I think. Yes, General Golden Cod. Rubbish. I will make a review on it if you are a member. Anyway. I think the price of Virgin Galactic will be $230, or way higher than that. Check welcome on Discord, okay. Welcome on Discord. Yeah. All right, smarty pants. All right, I see it. I can see the T. Yes, I can see the T. How many more times do we have to say MSK was right? It's not enough, is it? It's not enough for me to say, you know, I was sorry. No, it's not enough. You got to keep poking. Got to keep poking. Evening crew, says Brickmark. Clear off now. Yeah, I'm trying to get out of here. I'm so annoyed with myself. I reached my signal to buy Enphase and was busy at work, didn't transfer the money, didn't buy, and look what bloody happens. Like not posting the winning pools coupon. The trouble is, Jojo S., you were looking at waiting until it went up enough because of a signal on a chart. I personally don't understand that because I wasn't waiting for it to reach a certain level on a chart to reaffirm why I wanted to buy it. That doesn't make sense to me. That doesn't make sense. I bought it because of the overwhelming information that it was oversold, not because the chart said so, because of everything around the business that I've explained in detail on many videos. So obviously we're all sorry to hear that, but don't worry about it. There's other stocks to buy, but again, we're not going to see $70 again. That time has come and gone. Interest rates are coming down. The next 2 quarters, Enphase Energy is a 4x in a couple of quarters. It's back to $300. So it's still worth buying. You know, you're still buying it less than me. Let's get one thing straight. My average is 101, but I did buy a heck of a lot at 80 and 70, as you know, but I was in at 150. So that's why my average is still down. You're still able to buy it cheaper than I've got it. My average is 101. So, you know, anyway, correcting Martyn for me. And yes, that rhyme was intentional. What do you think about Robinhood stock? Robinhood is a 4 to 6x. I've explained that one in multiple videos for Robinhood. My latest Robinhood. There's my all-in video on Robinhood. Just there. There is my Robinhood analysis just there. And yeah, it's all there. And I would imagine if you go to our alpha program and we look at Hood, I would imagine at the bottom of the Robinhood valuation, balance sheet, fundamentals, efficiency, fundamental scores, Wall Street analysis, competitive landscape, insider trading, buying in and buying out, you will find my review above CNBC. There it is. There it is. There's my review. Wall Street Journal. Yeah. It's right there. There is my analysis on alpha. So, yes, 4 to 6x, no doubt in my mind. Saying about Enphase, kept getting SL, then gave up. Lucasade. The Lucasades. Yes, it's Lucasade. Lucasade is the drink. Our hashtag, which we trend with, is LucasAids. There we go. Because my name's Lucas. All my aides, all my team, all my army, all the family, fizzy, bright, full of glucose and energy. Good, healthy drink. That's why we have Lucasaids. All right. I think it's still very cheap. Enphase, of course it is. You will probably get another opportunity to Jojo, tax loss halves at the end of the year. Yes, still cheap, but even so, bittersweet. Was watching for it for days. I know the feeling. Go do some water dancing. Do I hear a fan? Brickmark, don't start on the fan. Do you think it's possible for Mullins to stock skyrise once they are done building a... They're just rubbish. I don't believe a word they say. That's FFIE, though. FFIE. I do apologize. What did I say? FFIE. Apologize if I said the wrong thing. Retired work for me, says Stephen. Would you say alpha spread is better than more established? Way better. And the reason why, Jordan, the reason why I have been offered partnerships with the other platforms, Market Watch, others, the Motley Fool. I've been offered money to do all kinds of things with other platforms. It wasn't a good platform. Why I like Alpha Spread is it's concise. The algorithm and the programming of how they reach the information is by far superior. It's like Robinhood. Very innovative. The technology used behind it is way ahead of Market Watch, Motley Fool, and others. And not only is the information better and better laid out, it's visually better for me to display it. I've been able to force it into dark mode. They don't have dark mode. I've been able to do it like that and make it look like that. And not only that, we have got a really good relationship where they love my reviews and want to post my reviews for every stock above much bigger platforms like Bloomberg, CNBC, Jim Cramer. Got a much better relationship. It's a much newer, much more innovative platform. So I love it more. Yes, that's why I use it. You can be the richest person in the world, but no amount of money ever bought a second of time. Correct. Mine's a JD in the pool. I think you should make your inspirational speeches into short videos because there is a huge market for that. Well, like I said, MSK, years ago, I could have run for a member of parliament in my area in England and I would have won because my seat won. I turned it down because I said I want more experience on life. I went round the world. You're not the first person to say that to me. However, I want the best YouTube channel in the world. Then I start blowing my trumpet. Not the other way round. Not trying to become successful by talking a load of rubbish because it's just what I think. There's no credibility in that. Like I explained, other YouTubers do it and then it becomes a self-professing, self-fulfilling prophecy. If I tell everybody I'm successful, they'll all want to watch me because they think I'm successful and I'll make money. No, I will be the best of myself, and then I will tell people how I did it, because then it's real, then it's believable. It's not just me talking a load of rubbish until it becomes true. So anyway, that's my way round. Anyway, we're done. Also, you'd be inspiring. Maybe I would, but I'd prefer to do it when I've done it, as opposed to look at me because I'm pretending to be good and now I'm good because you all watched it. That's what Tony Robbins did. Many people did that. They sold the bullshit to make themselves famous, and now everybody thought, wow, he's brilliant, that guy. He wasn't. He just talked a load of crap at the beginning and you all bought into it. I don't want to be that guy, because if I was that guy, I would just feel rubbish. And I don't want to be that person. Anyone can talk crap. Anyone can make up ideas, make silly quotes up. It's not hard, is it? Anyway, I'm not making up silly quotes. Right, I've got to go. I've got these videos to post. I hope you'll join me in the morning. I know you will. You can't miss it, can you? All right, let's get out of here. Day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Let's put the clock up. Wrong one. I don't know. I don't know where the clock is anymore. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. Go on. Day trade of the day up 12.34%. I'll give you a couple of seconds to post it. All right. Up 12.34. Shall we log off until you prove it then? No, don't do that. Forgive me if you have mentioned before, but what brought you to the States? To marry Leah. I've still got my house in Cornwall. To marry Leah. Shall we log off then? No, you're watching me because I'm just this guy doing my thing, right? Never said that, you know, never made videos, never titled them, get rich, how to build a YouTube channel, listen to me, because I know everything. Never did videos like that. Just go live and do what I do. And when it gets really big and then people go, hey, how did you do it? Then I'll tell people. Right, 12.34. 12, Man from Earth has gone and spoiled it. Up 6.42, 11.272, 9.2. Everyone's loving this. Up 1.2, up 5.6, only 3.4. Hey, only 3.4. How many days would we have loved a number like that? All right. Well, I would like to say I've won, but I haven't. The Man from Earth has ruined the party. Rubbish, isn't it? There you go. Thank you very much indeed. I can't believe it. Absolutely rubbish. I thought I'd won that, but no, clearly not. Man from Earth came in and spoiled it. Jose Quintana. Man from Earth. Yeah, Man from Earth. A Man from Earth, all right. Bloody Man from Earth. Look at that. He beat me. Very upset about that. But it's the way it goes. It's the way it is. Got to live with it sometimes. Right, time to get out of here. Look out for the premieres. Look out for the reviews. They're just round the corner. Tomorrow morning is the earnings for Rocket what is it? Target. Stay right where you are. It'll play you. It will go straight there, and you can be the first person to leave a comment and a like. All right? Make sure you do it. I get very upset when you can't be bothered. Don't like it when you can't be bothered. Right, here we go. Start of the show. Thanks for your support, Adam Preston. We get more subscribers. That's just the ones that are public. But thank you, Adam Preston, for becoming a subscriber. There's quite a few today. But the stars of our show, we have to give a big shout out to our super chats, Fortnite Chills and MSK. One more time for this best ever, oops a daisy, best ever super chat. Here it is. Recent events. Let's play it again. One more time.
This channel has literally made me over $20,000 in profits over the last 12 months thanks to both Martyn and Sensei Crypto. I also want to show respect to Martyn's indomitable spirit and courage to keep going no matter what, because I can resonate with Thar.
Connect with Thar. I don't know why it missed the T off. I've no bloody idea. Anyway. Congratulations. See you in a bit. Ta-ra, everybody. That's it. I'm out of here. That's it. See you back in the morning. You can't miss it, can you? The day just would not be the day without all of us together, would it? Take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Seth Houston, I was chatting with my mum. Is that an excuse? Tell your mum you got to go next time. There's something very important on the telly.